Hey guys, we are trying the new pumpkin spice latte of Starbucks. Let's go. So this grande drink is for 215 pesos. Pwede mo siyang orderin ng hot or iced. So I got the iced one. Tapos may whipped cream pala siya. Sana pinatanggal ko. So yeah, try na natin. I love the autumn feeling, yung pumpkin spice, tapos medyo cinnamony, tapos medyo creamy siya. Medyo on the sweeter side. Syempre tayo ay tumatanda na ayaw natin na masyado matamis, but the sweetness is tolerable. Okay siya. For 215 pesos, you get this pumpkin spice latte na ice. So for me, approved naman siya. So yeah, try nyo na rin tong bagong pumpkin spice latte ng Starbucks. Then thank me later.